Hello everyone, and for all those of you who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Biren Daftary and I upload biology video tutorials. Okay, I upload videos basically pertaining to the CBSE syllabus of India. Okay, and so this is very helpful for all the students who are giving 11th and 12th standard exams and also who are preparing for the medical entrance exam, which is NEET. I try to keep my lectures interesting, okay, and also at the same time give the content in a very simplified manner so that the message goes across. Okay, so guys, you can go to my channel, okay, and you can browse all the videos. You can go through the videos. I have quite a few of them there, and if you like the videos, please do put a like, okay, do put in a comment, and it would really make my day if you can subscribe, because that is what would be needed if we want to expand our community, right? So please do subscribe. Also in this video I'm going to add two of the animations that I have made. Okay, so animations can make learning biology very interesting, so do check them out. Thanks a lot.